Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word, whatever. Whatever means used to indicate a lack of concern or interest in what is being said or suggested. You can use whatever to express indifference or dismissiveness towards a statement, suggestion, or situation. For example, when someone makes a suggestion that you don't agree with or find important, you might respond with whatever to convey your lack of interest or disagreement. In a sentence, you could say, "She suggested going to the beach, but he replied with a nonchalant, whatever, as he was not particularly interested in the idea." Now, repeat after me. Whatever. Whatever. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me.
You should try the new restaurant downtown.
Whatever, I'm not hungry.
Why don't you ask for help?
Whatever, I can handle it on my own.
We should leave early to avoid traffic.
Whatever, I'm not in a hurry.
You need to apologize.
Whatever, it's not a big deal.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Whatever, I don't mind.
You should take better care of yourself.
Whatever, I'm fine.
Why don't you listen to what I'm saying?
Whatever, I've heard it all before.
You should be more responsible.
Whatever, it's not my problem.
We need to make a decision soon.
Whatever, I'm not bothered either way.
Why are you always late?
Whatever, it's not like it matters.
You should try harder.
Whatever, I'm doing my best.
You need to focus on your studies.
Whatever, I'll do it later.
Why are you being so stubborn?
Whatever, I'm not changing my mind.
You should be more considerate.
Whatever, it's not my problem.
Why don't you ever listen to me?
Whatever, I've heard enough.
You should be more careful.
Whatever, I'll be fine.
You need to take this seriously.
Whatever, it's not important.
Why don't you ever take my advice?
Whatever, I know what I'm doing.
You should apologize for what you said.
Whatever, it's not like it matters.
Why don't you ever help out around here?
Whatever, I'm busy. And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.